let's look at the new Premiere Auto Color feature. So sometimes we think of color correction as an advanced topic, not suitable for beginners, but I think this really makes color correction more accessible to our new users and is worth everyone experimenting with. So Auto Color uses Adobe Sensei AI technology to apply intelligent adjustments. This may not be your only solution, but it can be one of many in your toolbox. So in our sequence, I've selected the clip and I've moved my playhead on top of it. I've opened my color workspace and I've selected basic correction. Here, I'll find the auto button. So let's go ahead and apply that. And right below it, I have an intensity slider. So this is a great way to kind of adjust and get started. Now, I still have full control and can edit on my own, but this might be a really good place to start. Let's move to the next clip. So same thing, auto, not too bad. I would probably still continue to bring out those shadows a little bit. But you can see it's a good start for simply editing color.